what do the ulama say with regards to finding a teacher, as in the qualities that a teacher has? So, like, what should you look for a teacher to teach Islamic sciences?
To teach Islamic
Sciences.
What are the things that you should look into for choosing a small, like for example, teaching Aqidah and teaching?
Yeah.
Well, and each person has to be, first of all, always choosing the one who's got Aqidah Salima, correct Aqidah, in all types of deen. Because we can't guarantee, even if he's teaching just to how to recite Quran, we can't guarantee if he's going to give his garbage and implement it in the heart of this person and ruin his deen. So always seek that. So number two, he's a skillful in that field that he's teaching. He's qualified. So these two things. But if, for example, the skill is not there, don't take him at all, because he's going to teach you wrong. But if he is skillful, yet he hasn't got the Aqidah, we will say to you that if he's not teaching the Aqidah, but teaching other topics like fiqh, usul fiqh teaching, and you are immune against that Aqidah of his, and another condition that there is no alternative, then you could go ahead and learn from him. Again, if he's skillful, yet he's corrupted in his Aqidah, and there is no alternative, and I need that particular science of deen, and I'm immune. Okay. So I need that particular, like for example, to recite the Quran properly. I want to recite it properly. His Aqidah is rubbish, but he's skillful. He's qualified. So I'm in need. Number two, there's no alternative. Number three, I'm immune.
What if his Aqidah is unknown? So you don't actually know
still the same. I'll implement the same condition.
Oh.
Okay. Wallahu ta'ala.